Hello all. Well, in this video I would like to just tell about one of my trade which I've done in delivery, and I've got around 11% profit within the last 10 days in one of the stock, which is Raymond. So as you can see on the screen, on August 10th I have purchased 45 stocks of Raymond, and today August 20. So today is August 20 and the current time is around 11:30. It is 11:35. So today I have sold the stock. So we'll see in this video at what price I bought, how I sold, and why I sold. So primarily, if you see, the quantity that I have bought is 45. I purchased it at a price of 258.40. The total value was 11,628. The sell quantity is same. I've sold all the stocks 45. The sell price today I've sold it at 288.25, and the total sell value is 12,971. So the total profit and loss, not what I have received, the actual profit and loss is 1343.25. So the total gain, just based on the total buy value and the total sell value, is 11.55%. So after deductions, it is 1296. So how did 1343.25 become 1314, and what is this 18? We'll look into this and we'll use the upstock calculator, and I'll show you how these figures have changed from 1343, why it reduced to 1314. So the actual profit and loss that I would be getting in hand would be 1296. And the final percentage, the final profit which I'm getting in hand would be 11.14. So without any ado, we have two things to see. First thing, how I have entered and why I have exited today. Second thing, how these deductions are done and how to calculate using the upstock calculator. First, we'll go to the upstock. This is the chart. So as we can see, August 10th, around here, I have purchased the stock at 258. Well, before that, we'll go into my portfolio. And as you can see in the holdings, Raymond, so currently the net quantity is 0. The average price is 258.40. So this is the average buy price. And in the positions, as I've sold the stock, you can see the Raymond stock in the positions. So the product is delivery. So net quantity is minus 45. The average sell price 288.25. So back into the charts, as you can see, August 10th, I have purchased this stock at around 258. And today I've sold this stock. So what are these three lines? These three lines are just my predicted support and resistance for this particular stock. So as you can see, the stock has been taking major resistance at this level. On August 12th, it tried to break this resistance, but it could not. On 13th as well, it tried, it could not. And today again, yesterday it has tried on 19th, but it could not. But today what happens? The resistance is broken. It came, currently it is at a level of 286. Sometime back it was at 288 when I sold the stock. So my agenda is always same. We need to get 10% of the stock, and whenever I hit the target, whenever I get my 10%, I exit from the stock. That too if it is at the resistance level. So if it is below the resistance level and if already 10% is hit, well, I'll definitely wait for the resistance level. So as you can see, August 10th, when I made this trade at around this level, it was a simple call. So the stock fell down. I've been observing this from July. The stock fell down till here up until the levels of 238, and it took support here. So we just should not buy the stock just because the stock stopped at some point and started traveling up. We need to confirm that it took support over there and it would be a good momentum. So I waited for 2 to 3 days and I could see the stock is sustaining here. So on this particular point I entered, and today it has made 10% and I have exited from the stock. And also at the resistance level, it is always good when your target is hit to exit. So had the stock fell down, now the stock has gone up, so it is all good. It is a positive scenario. We have exited with good 11% profit in around 10 days. So had the stock fell down, what should have been my immediate action? Because I have purchased here, so it has gone up, it has come a bit down, but this is the next immediate support level. If you see, this would be the immediate support level in short term. If you see this particular line, even it took resistance multiple times at this level. It took once, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times it tried almost to break this level, but it could not. So had it fell down again to 258, I would have definitely not sold the stock. I would have purchased some more stocks and would have done some averaging, but fortunately it did not. It started going high. So pretty simple. The stock is trading at the resistance level, and also it hit my target of 10%. So pretty simple. I've just sold the stock today at 288.25. Once again, this is the position. And obviously the stock may go up, the stock may come down. That is none of our business. The only thing is we need to make profit. We need to exit from our stock when the levels are hit. So that is the primary thing. And the secondary thing, how to check the brokerage that Upstock is calculating. So what we need to do, we need to go to Google. We need to click on Upstock Calculator. One option will come as Brokerage Calculator if we open this. So the first thing you need to do, you need to select your state. I'll select other for now. We need to select whether it is intraday or delivery. So I've selected delivery. We need to select the stock. So here the stock is Raymond, and I'm planning to sell it in NSE, so it's NSE. So what is the quantity that we have purchased? It is 45. So what is the average buy price? It is 258.40. So the buy price would be 258.40. And what is the average sell price which will be available in positions? 288.25. So 288.25. So as you can see here, if you go into show charges breakup, the net buy value means the total amount that you have invested for the 45 stocks, 11,628. And as you can see, net sell value 12,971. So there are some deductions from Upstock like STT, CTT, transaction charge, and GST and SSD and SEBI turnover fees and all this stuff. So after all these deductions, your net PNL would be 1314.01. So on top of this 1314.01, you would have an 18 rupees of transaction charge from Upstock. So 1314.01 minus 18. So irrespective of how many stocks you are selling, it can be 1, it can be 100, it can be 1000. So within a particular company, assume Raymond, even if I purchase one stock and sell one stock, or even if I purchase 100 stocks and sell 100 stocks, or it may be 1000, it may be 10,000, this 18 rupees will be constant. So from the net PNL that is displayed in the calculator, we need to deduct 18 from it, and the final thing which will be transferred into our Upstock brokerage account. So this is how you need to use this calculator. So we have few states here, not all. So select your state, select the stock, put it delivery, put the quantity, put the average buy price you see in your holdings, put the average sell price you see in your positions, because it is very important to see this as well. Because if we don't do this calculation, we will not know exactly if we are making 10% into our hand, or is it just 10% profit in the stock. Well then, that's it in this video. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.